Hey cruisers, welcome to your daily dose of cruise news in under 5 minutes. I'm Keela, your travel agent and cruise bestie, here to keep you in the loop on everything happening at sea. Let's dive into today's story. Big news from Margaritaville at sea. The laid-back cruise line known for its quick getaways is going long, literally. Starting in 2027, they'll be offering their first ever 8-night cruises aboard the Margaritaville at Sea Islander, sailing out of Tampa. One standout itinerary is the 8-night Mardi Gras overnight in Mexico cruise, which includes a full night stop in New Orleans during Mardi Gras. That means guests can party in a Big Easy, soak up the parades, and then head back to the ship to rest or keep the celebration going Jimmy Buffett style. Other ports include Progreso, Cozumel, giving this itinerary a fun mix of culture, beach, and serious party vibes. There's also the 8-night Jamaica and Western Caribbean cruise, which stops in Cozumel, Belize, Montego Bay, and Grand Cayman. Perfect for guests craving a mix of adventure and relaxation. And if you're not ready to commit to 8 nights, there's also the 5 and 7-night cruises in 2027 that will visit places like the Bahamas, Mexico, and Key West. Prices start at just $368 per person based on double occupancy, and there's a 50% discount plus free kids fares if you book by April 30th, so it's a great time to lock something in. If you're dreaming of a longer, more tropical escape with a whole lot of island attitude, Margaritaville at Sea might just be your 2027 vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a day of cruise news. I'll be back tomorrow with another story from the high seas. Until then, stay salty.